Hello my friends again. My name is Ramsam Raif. So today I want that we talk about Excel or Microsoft Excel. Uh, let us analyze this data where you have some student, can be student or someone else. We have Kadugu, we have Nyadugi, other names in a given class. So we are going to see the formula which makes total or sum. Another formula make percentage and rank. Rank is to put on place. The first, the second, the third, the fourth, and the nth person. This is chemistry marked out of 30, mathematics out of 30 marks, also biology marked out of 40. Then the total is 100, so we need the percentage. So let us first of all make a sum. You can type equal sign, then type sum, then after open a bracket, you can click this one, also this one, okay, then comma, this one, comma, this one, comma, then close the bracket, click enter. You will see the total. After getting the total, you can drag here downward up to the last one. You see? Then after will be autofill. I can repeat again. Put equal sign. So then you put E4. E4 because to 12 is located to E4. Another one. 29 is located in F4. Here biology 27 marks is located to G4. Then comma you separate, close the bracket, then click enter, you get the total. Then after drag downward to avoid many repetitions. So this is how to make a sum when the data are close to each other. Okay, then here percentage, because we have marked out of 100, so you can say that take this one 68 times 100, we divide by 100. Okay, so also will be like this one. So suppose that this one was marked out of 20. Okay, then we change this one to be like 16. Okay, then we be here, it is out of okay, like this one, out of 90. Then here percentage will be equal sign. Always we start by equal sign, then we take 68 is located in H4. So started by H4 times is a control star, okay, or shift star, okay, then times 100, then you divide is slash 90, then you click enter. It means you will get this max 75 point and endless decimals. So you can reduce these decimals by clicking here, okay, by clicking here, okay, you can click here to reduce some decimals here, you see, click here, then you get 1 decimal place. After, can you click here, it is a max, then you put your sign here as a plus, hold left click, drag downward. Okay, wow. So you can see the formula, how the formula look like. okay, is H4 times 100 out of 90, because this max is located in H4. Here is a 4, yes. Then rank, then here write equal sign, type rank, can use a capital letter or small letters, open a bracket, then you can this max, you see this max is located in I, but I4, it means is I4, comma, you put the dollar sign. So starting from I4 up to I14, okay? So it is I, also dollar sign on number 4, up to double point, also it is I14, you put the dollar sign I14, okay? You see that all content are selected. Then after close bracket, click enter. So it means this is was on position 7, then drag downward. You see, good. It means here we have this chart and this one, also this one. 3 chart are on number 3 because they have the same max, okay? Then after, because we have 11 students, we have also the student who got position 11. So this is how to rank student or to give position. Thank you for watching. So remember to subscribe to see other videos. Goodbye.